Action. Okay, so we're going to write the equation of each function where f of x is a cubic. Okay, you look at that equation and specifically that point, that's your h and k. So you go over 1, 2, 3, 4, and up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 4 comma 7, that's your h and your k value. And if we understand that it's a cubic, then that means we're going x minus 4, which is the h value, cubed, plus 7. That's the equation of that little guy right there. So g of x, you got to just do the same thing. You're going back 1 and up 2, negative 1 and 2. And we know it's a square root function, so it's the square root of x plus 1 and then plus 2. The plus 1 is the opposite sign, just like the minus 4 was the opposite sign. And h is your standard typical quadratic parabola deal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. So negative 4, positive 3. Okay, since it's a quadratic, it's going to be squared, and we have an x plus 4 and then a plus 3. Now when we talk about this, consider the transformation of the function f of x at the right. Now f of x is already here. It's already at 4, 7. Okay? This is saying that we're going to take that function where it is, and we're going to go to the left 1 unit, and then we're going to go up 3. So we're taking this function, which is already at 4, 7. That's what f of x is defined as, the function that is centered at 4, 7. And we're going to go back 1 from there, and then up 3 from there, 1, 2, 3. Then we are sitting on the outskirts of this grid right here. Okay? The transformation, direction, and number of units, we're going left 1 and up 3. And we want to sketch that transformation. I know some folks kind of get a little confused as to how that all happened or how to define that. And they start, they'll draw the picture starting from here, back 1 and up 3. But it's, since we're saying the graph of the function f of x, which already exists way over here, this is describing basically something that's being moved to the left 1 and then up 3 from the point that f of x was already given. If we weren't given f of x and we were told to sketch f of x in this way, then yeah, it would go from 0. But because that was already defined on the picture, then this simply told us the direction left and the direction up that we had to go, or the distance left and up. Thank you very much. Have a great weekend.